Ah, what the fuck? Okay, so it is streaming. It is the stream. Oh, okay. And wait, where's my thing? One second. I freaking screwed this up again. I'm gonna have to go to launch pass. Are you fucking kidding me? Ford is flying. Absolutely crazy again, but it'll get clapped down somehow. And the one that'll hate your guts. There we go. And there we go. Stupid. And now. Oh, no, my text. Dirt. Dirt. Alright. Seconds. I haven't really done any research yet this morning. I gotta get my headphones really quick. Be right back. Okay, yeah, I woke up like 10 minutes ago, which is rare. Usually I wake up like 7:30. But I guess I slept through that because my little brother got home from Lake College last night. I was hanging out with him, stayed up too late, but we should be able to figure some stuff out for sure. I don't have really anything open right now except for a little bit of NVIDIA, I think. Yeah, I should have just sold that when I had the chance yesterday. That's fine though. I only have one. I have one NVIDIA contract left, so I might actually. I'm just gonna hold on to it, or not actually. I think I'm just gonna sell it. Depending on. I'll just hold it for now. Whatever. I don't know what I had. I think I had Neo puts yesterday, I guess. Yeah, that would make sense since it was tanking the whole time. I don't have those anymore. I don't have any Uber Play. AMC, that's actually good that it's going up. Because I'll short that if it starts to go down. Apple underperforming. Kind of figured spot would be green. Holy boys. Kind of figured spot would be green today. I could probably read my normal stuff, but yeah, I actually have time. Let's see what's happening in the markets today. Alrighty. Doves become hawks. That is the headline on Seeking Alpha. Kind of like that. Very, very birdish. Very focused on the bird. Oh, I guess that was the best Fed day of the year. Wait, the whole year? Yeah. Okay. The market loves certainty, knowing what to expect. I already made a TikTok about this. Or I didn't make it about that, but that's why it's going up. It's because everything that was said was what was expected, and the market doesn't like surprises, so that's pretty much just certainty. Everyone likes certainty. Wall Street Bets goes to Wall Street. What? No, Reddit is trying to go public. No. No chance anyone with half a brain buys fucking Reddit. I think Reddit might be going public just to see if they can become a meme stock on their own platform. And I feel like that could probably get in the way of a few things like rules. Um, I don't know. I don't. I don't like that. I don't. I don't. Reddit's okay. I just. I don't. It's like. Wait. What's their IPO price at? Doesn't even say yet. Democrats have been hoping to wrap up the roughly $2 trillion social spending bill by the end of the year, but those efforts are faltering. Thank God. So-called human infrastructure package. Wow, sounds important. Will cover areas like education, healthcare, climate change, and would need support of all 50 members of the Democratic Senate to pass. However, there's one guy who will not do it. Thank you, guy. Someone can actually think. Mansions. Someone on the line. Damn. Oh, Fauci. More Fauci. Oh my gosh, I can't even read this stuff. Okay. Jobless claims happened today. I guess they weren't too bad. Natural gas, Fed balance sheet. That's after close though. Okay. There's nothing economy wise or economic calendar wise. Really. Ford, let's go, baby. Oh, okay. I was gonna short Neo after it went down. Looks like it's already making its way there. I don't know how risky this is. I want to buy Neo puts because I had them yesterday and then it came back with the market. Oh, wait, what is this? This is weird. Tech, for some reason, is shit, whereas SPY is not. 0.5%. There's like a 0.66 difference between those two. Lucid. It's opened lower, didn't it? Yeah. I'm gonna buy some of that. It's gonna be really quick though, so I'm not gonna post it on the thing. So the one person who's watching, uh, I'm buying Pfizer calls. Fuck. Come on. My computer's got up again. I'm trying to buy Pfizer calls. This might screw up the stream for a second, but I'm on the wrong Wi-Fi, so I'm switching. It'll be back in 10 seconds. Where's my noise? Oh, it didn't fill. Fuck. You kidding me? Well, that's an easy way to fucking miss 20%. Fill. My god. Okay, thank you. I only bought 2 of them. Yeah, so I got Pfizer $59 calls for tomorrow. It's pretty risky. That's why I only got 2. I only spent $159. Or no, $163. Yeah, Pfizer $59 tomorrow. I don't think there's that much upward potential there, which is why I didn't spend more. And I'll probably just it's going to be a day trade. It's going to be quick. Either way, even if it goes down. Okay, I wanted these NEO puts yesterday, and I wanted them today. I think I'm just going to follow through with that and do the same thing basically with NEO. It's Thursday, so the expiration is going to be obviously pretty close by. I'm a little more confident in this NEO one though. Okay, I'm actually gonna post that one. I think that's probably a stronger possibility for a longer term trade. So I got NEO $30 puts for tomorrow. I paid, I think, 59 cents. Or what did I pay? Sorry, let me check. Oh, I paid 50 cents. Okay, so that's fine. The Pfizer, that should be doing fine too. I'm a little more confident in the NEO. The Pfizer, if you look at the daily chart here, I mean, that just looks pretty aggressive. I'm sure it can keep doing it, but it's just a, one quick correction when you have stuff that expires the next day, and you're kind of screwed. So I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that one. I think NEO will probably just bleed out naturally. That's its natural state. CLF, CSC, HW, and X. Oh, I usually keep an eye on X. What are they doing? They've been like having weirdly volatile days lately. I don't know what's going on. It's like it's supposed to be a really slow mover. If you go back like to normal times, look, like got some sketches up there, but these are like less than 1% moves every single day. What is CLF? Cleveland Cliffs. It's a cliff company. They sell a bunch of cliffs. So if anyone needs to purchase a cliff, this is the place to go. You have to go to Cleveland to purchase that cliff. But once it is obtained, it's perfect. So we got 20% on the NEO, 14% on the Pfizer so far. Honestly, that's like over $100, and it's been 4 minutes. I kind of want to just sell it and take my $100. NVIDIA! Okay, I'm selling the rest of my NVIDIA. Son of a bitch. Oh man, I did not see that. That's okay though. Cheerio. I didn't lose money on it, but it's still a little bit annoying. Okay. Pfizer, what the fuck? Okay, Pfizer's doing fine. Neo, honestly, that looks almost perfect. But I do want to know if it gets above yesterday's close. Now I won't have to worry about paying attention to that bullshit. So if it gets above yesterday's close, have to keep a closer eye on it. As of now, I think it's fine as it is. Pfizer, I don't know. I kind of trust Pfizer. Pfizer's having quite the run lately. So oh, we sold these. Don't need this anymore. Dang! Tech is down a whole percent. A whole ass percent. Okay. Wait, where's Apple? Oh, more importantly, Kathy. Oof. Kathy. I've been playing Kathy's bitch ass for a few quick trades lately. Nothing worth, writing home about, but it's been pretty predictable on the way down here. Oh, for those of you who don't know, if you don't, Kathy Wood, she is like a old lady who I don't even know what she does. Honestly, she's a very innovative person apparently, but not really. And Michael Burry shorted the entire ETF, so that's pretty funny. Both hedge fund managers, and then he was like, "I'm better," and shorted her whole fund. And she said, "Oh, you just don't get it." He said, "Fuck you, Kathy." Peloton going up, Netflix going down again. I don't understand this whole Netflix sell-off. I don't know what the purpose of it is. Can y'all hear me? I've been having some audio issues back lately. Pfizer's popping. Wait. Could you guys ever hear me? Either way, we're back. Lucid. I have this marked as like a watch list thing. I don't have it anymore though. It's pretty sketchy right now. Look at that. So we're definitely not going to play that today. Unless something really, really obvious happens. Twitter. Could have held those puts from yesterday a little bit longer. It wouldn't have done any good though. It's fucking tanking now though. Sheesh. That looks like some news, honestly. Let's see if anything happened. Russia fined Twitter. That's the headline. 21 minutes ago. Yeah, that's about right. Russia fined Twitter, Facebook owner, and TikTok Thursday for failing to delete content that the government deems illegal, and Moscow court said the latest in a string of penalties against foreign technology films. Moscow has increased fresh one. Wow, they got fined 13 million greppels. No, it's only $200,000. So I don't think that's going to matter very much to anyone. I think it's just tanking because Twitter's bad. Suck. Terrible. And if you're just joining, there really wasn't very much news today. I only really skimmed over the stuff that I usually read. So I'm kind of just going off technicals right now. I am already up 50% on the Pfizer that I bought just a little bit earlier. I think I might just dump that, or at least some of it. Simply because I bought it at such a, I guess like a good price. It wasn't a good price because I was trying to buy it for like 20 minutes, or not 20, but I could be up quite a bit more, which can't win them all, but you know what they say, wubba lubba dub dub. I guess I'll hold on to it. Seems kind of greedy. I know what I'll do. I'm gonna set a limit to sell half at, actually I like that price. I'll take it. I sold half of the Pfizer for 68%. Oh, it's not filled. Oh, now it's filled. 65%. Apologies. Now I have to check in with oil XLE. This has been a weirdest one lately. I don't think there's a single way you could have played this at any point in time to actually make money over the past month, unless you're just day trading it, which I've done a couple times, but not nearly as much as usual. XLE is one of the things that I really trade the most, honestly, usually, because it's predictable. Because you get news, you get what OPEC is doing, you get what, there's just a bunch of stuff that can go into changing oil prices and performance of oil companies. So this is usually a really easy one to trade, which is why I traded a bunch, because there are things like this. I believe this was when there were supply issues and the oil prices were just like popping off and OPEC wasn't doing anything. So I played calls in this range a lot. Not really like that aggressively, but you don't really have to be that aggressive, because when it does move, you get a pretty good return, because it's not that mobile. It'll just, a lot of the times it's just chilling. You can play it Exxon Mobil too. It's kind of the same deal. It's pretty much the same trade, actually. Why Microsoft has been like not doing very well. Yeah. I'm not sure what the the huge difference between Microsoft and Apple is. I mean, obviously I know they're different companies, but Microsoft has been doing whereas Apple has been going straight up. So, and there's really not a reason for it. I've looked into it. Apple actually is the one that's having issues with their iPhone and how to get more, and they're not able to meet the demand. So the Neo puts are only up 10% now, but it's not back to the open price yet, which is the only price I really care about right now. That'd be right here. Or not the open price, the close from yesterday. Damn. When in doubt, short Nordstrom. I feel like that's a decent amount of room. On the way down. UOP's going down. Highest volume since the opening candle was this one going down. Just seems a little redundant since I've already shorted Nordstrom so many times this week. Or the past few weeks. The only short play I made this week was here. Can you guys hear me? I really don't want to be talking to myself. I do that enough. Okay, cool. Okay, so we're gonna buy some Nordstrom puts. I'm gonna spend like nothing on them. Oh wait, no, I'm not. The spreads are kind of actually fuck a spread. Okay, wait, $20 puts are 19 cents. What's SPY doing? Oh my gosh, my Neo's back to break even. No. Okay, SPY's kind of coming back up here. I might hold off on the Nordstrom. Now I lost it. Whatever, I have it on this screen. Yeah, SPY's really making a turnaround here. Computer slowing down. Okay. The spread on the Nordstrom is okay, 20% almost, which is the only thing holding me back. Because if I could market order it for what the ask is, and if that was like the same as the bid, then I would just buy it, and then if it screwed up, I would sell it in like 2 seconds. But if I were to do that now, then I'd lose like 20% in that 2 seconds if I were to just buy it and then sell it for the bid and the ask. So I guess I'm gonna hold off on that. AMC, AMD. Oh no, RIP. RIP AMD. Should have been more like AMD. C. AMC. Peloton. Stupid. Zoom. Also stupid. Square. Where's Bitcoin? Down a little bit. Dang, my Pfizer went from 70% to 35%. Shit. It's okay. I don't like money that much. Neo should be up more. Wait, no, that's about right. No, it's not. I might buy more of those. Those are kind of cheap. But it just kind of depends. It's... I'm going to buy some of these Nordstrom puts. They're only $20. So I'm going to buy. I'm just going to spend $100, buy them, send it. If it blows up in my face, that's fine, because I only spent $100. So I did buy those. I bought the Nordstrom JWN is their ticker. $20 December 17th this week puts. Definitely don't do it. You're going to open position at least 15% down and then hope that it comes back. But don't hate the player, hate the game. I don't see that going well. Whatever. So I did get those. And that's just a day trade for sure. Everything is going to be a day trade if it's expiring this week. Because today is Friday, no, Thursday. Shit. And we're not trying to go to zero. Second, I'm gonna talk shit to these losers. Get the fuck on the stream. So many people have been like, well, if you're so good at trading, why don't you live stream your account? Okay, here you go. And then no one cares to watch. I think I'm about to sell at Nordstrom, honestly. That was a dumbass idea. It's only down a little bit since I bought it, but I right when I saw it, I was like, oh, I don't want to mess around with that spread. I won't buy it. 2 seconds later, bought it. Stupid. Neo. I could see Neo breaking down. It was kind of a weird. I didn't really like the way that it moved yesterday with all the news. I'm kind of thinking that it might just go back to the same trend it was on, because the whole market kind of spiked from all that Fed meeting crap. Okay, Nordstrom, fuck. I'm selling that. I don't know why. I don't know why I bought that. It was only $100, but now I lost like $40 for no reason. I could have bought so much Chipotle with that, or like 2 Chipotles. Unless it was delivered, then I could buy like 1. Speaking of DoorDash, what are you doing? You overpriced little hoe. Becoming a little less overpriced. I don't think they even make money. No, they don't. They only lost 460 million though. Look at that. They're just losing more and more money. It's pretty nice. Must be nice. I'm gonna get some investors in daily day trades. Just be like, hey, we'll make money in 5 to 10 years. Then I'm gonna spend all their money and be like, oops, we didn't do it. Come back next year. I wonder what the news is on AT&T. They don't move 6% without news. Wow, 9% dividend now. They got an upgrade in the price target. They got a 9% dividend. And wow, my Pfizer is going down more. Decisions. I've been selling a lot of stuff really early, but I also haven't been losing very much monies. So AMC. That would actually be an easy quick trade. I don't like AMC. That's the issue. I don't want it. It's kind of faking a bottom out here. At least I think it is. Because I don't actually think it's gonna just like hit that bottom and then rocket up here. But just for the day, if it holds above the VWAP, then I might buy some calls just to day trade, but hopefully it breaks down and dies. IBM has had a shitty day yesterday. Oh, I meant to watch the banks today. Fuck. Okay, I'm selling the Neo. I was up like 25% on it, and now it's down 7. Actually, I ended up losing 9. Fuck. Ford's doing well though, which is good. The banks. The banks. I'm trying to figure out what I'm missing. I love cheap thrills. Okay, I'm buying JP Morgan 162.50 calls. Oh my gosh, they already went up. Damn it. I gotta stop talking 1 second. Okay, I bought JP Morgan, JPM, 162.50 calls for tomorrow. I'm literally trying to make like 30, 40 bucks on that. I got 7 of them, which cost $217. It's shooting up, so I'm just kind of riding the momentum. And then I'm going to sell all of them at, or no, I'll sell 5 of them at, excuse me, premiums. Rude. I don't know what I'm going to sell them at. 5. I would need to get, I'm going to sell 5 of them at 40 cents, which is only a it's only like a $45 profit on those 5, but hey, if it happens in 5 minutes, we'll take it. Fastly's been so weird lately. Weirdo. Already sold those. Nerd. Alright, I'm gonna get a water. I'm thirsty. Alright, I guess this Pfizer. No, not Pfizer. Shit. I still have the Pfizer though. I should have sold that when it was up 80% or 65 or whatever the fuck it was. Where's JP Morgan? Oh hey, hidden talents here. For some reason, I can't read very fast. I have like I'm retarded, as they would say. But I can skim stuff really fast. What the? My computer's fucking up again. So when you see me doing this, I'm not just like randomly scrolling, I'm actually looking for something. Be like, sure, 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 sure. And if it pops up, I'll find it. Like, let's find Roblox. Ah, I saw it. Got it. Bang. Look how talented I am. Ooh, this is a pretty key level here for the SPY 500. Oh, there we go, baby. My JP Morgan sold. I made lay 30% on that. I still have 2 of them, which is only $62 in initial cost. So I sold 5 for 40, so that's $200. I paid a total of I forgot how many I bought. I bought 7. I paid $207. No, $217. Sorry. So I got back the initial investment. Yeah, should have a decent amount open profit on that still. Oh my God, Pfizer, you. Okay, I'm selling the Pfizer for break even. It was much, much past break even earlier. Honestly, too much talking to myself and didn't notice what was going on with it. That's gone. I sold it. I sold one for a really good profit though, so I only had 2 of those. I'm not spending very much today because expiration tomorrow. I have a bunch of buying power left still. If I see something really obvious, obviously I'm gonna fucking YOLO it, but as of now, I am content. I might make a new option for the Discord. I'm gonna say you can either pay however much it costs or send me an entire case of Fiji water because I fucking love Fiji water. It's probably only it's like $25 or something. But I'll never buy it myself. That's the problem because it's expensive. Damn, AT&T. Okay. Okay. No. This would typically be a time where I might just I would usually just kind of slow stuff down now, maybe hold off on making more trades, but I haven't really gone through everything yet. Let's see if there's anything really out of the ordinary. Twitter came back a little bit. Not really. Forward. I still have 140% on these forward leaps. Just don't know how much that means to me right now. I want to hold them. My plan with the forward leaps is once it hits $25, my calls are for $25. So once it hits that, at any point in time, I'm going to sell them. That's the plan. When it came up here to 21.50, I was like, okay, we might be getting rid of these bitches soon. Nope. Then it went back down, clapped my account because there was $700 in open leaps. They went down 5%. Lost like $300, but I didn't actually realize those losses because I didn't sell it. I sold one because I was sick of it moving my account that much, which is probably why I should buy the leaps on the same account that I buy swing trades with. Getting up into the penny stocks here that I look at. Also got some Forex, in case you were concerned about what the New Zealand whatever is doing. Ulta. They've been sketchy. I might double dip on Pfizer if this gives like a chance. I bought Pfizer yesterday. I bought Pfizer today. I think I bought Pfizer on Monday. All the Pfizer plays have made money too. 90% sure. Friendly reminder, drink some water. Recycle your plastic. Save the turtles. Ooh, Roblox. Oh no. Nike was looking really bad yesterday. I feel like shorting Roblox would be kind of a bold move from this price. It's already below 100. Yeah. Etsy. I love Etsy. Love hate. Because I accidentally spend like all my money there sometimes. Oh. Oh, oh. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Let's see if the spreads still suck on this. Yep, kinda. They're not that bad. Okay, I'm buying. This is another quick trade. I guess we're just not putting out that many alerts today on the Discord, but we can still do these. So I'm just not that confident in this. I just gotta get you out the cage. I'm a young lover's mage, gonna need a spark to ignite. Okay, I bought XPEV 40. Wait, what the? Did it not? Oh, it filled. Okay. I bought XPEV $42 puts for tomorrow. It's another quick trade. I'm not really sure what my price target would be on these. I'm definitely not willing to lose very much, so I'm not going to try to make a terribly big amount. I guess once it starts getting towards that strike, so close to 42, that's when I'll think about selling it. So that would only be, another 0.75% or something. So that would only probably be, I don't know, probably 25, 30% on the contracts themselves. So spread's kind of stuck on that. I had to market order it, but it might work out. Be back in 10 seconds. I just gotta get you out the cage. I'm a young lover's mage, gonna need a spark to ignite. Fastly still being weird. Fubo. Haven't heard about them for a long time. Oh, JP Morgan. Sheesh, bro. I'm up 63% on JP Morgan now. Dang. That would have been a couple $100 a little while ago. I think I might just take the dub on that one. I might keep one. Yeah. I'm going to sell all but one of the JP Morgans for 66%. 67% now. We'll take it. And hopefully 70%, 72%. Okay, we got 72%. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I just gotta get you out the cage. I'm a young lover's mage. Okay, so JP Morgan, I have one of those left. It's up 80%. Could I have held all of those? Yes, probably. It's only up 2% too. I definitely could have held on to those. That's okay. Take profits. Be safe. Keep all your shit. Tesla is sucking once again. It's good to see. Neo, this was the only one I actually lost money on. Or no, I didn't, because I sold some and took profits, didn't I? And then I sold some for break even. Okay, so Neo looks like it's coming back down. I might have bought it on this little denial here. Look how perfect the VWAP is sometimes. Doink. Dog shit. Okay, so I think I'm going to keep that. I still have the XPEV puts. I lost the ticker though. And these are not intended to remain in my portfolio for very long. And I only bought two. So I literally spent $139. Etsy. This looks like perfect to short. Besides the past couple days. Wait a second. Yeah, that might be a good short play. I like Etsy. Morally, I don't want to short them. Even though it has nothing to do with morals. Rivian. Don't know how it's even holding close to that level, but what? Come on. There we go. I sold the Pfizer. Oh, I sold the Pfizer at the bottom. Nice. Or the remaining Pfizer. Okay, Ford is almost at 21. That's a big number. This actually looks perfect. Because you can kind of ignore this. This whole little area here, this is just from the Fed meeting yesterday, and even SPY kind of faltered around that. So I think this will probably retrace back down to at least here, at least to where the Fed started talking, or Jerome Powell. I am down 8% on that play though, because well, that's how much the spread was actually. So I don't know what I might let that run down to 15% would probably be the max that I'd be willing to lose on that. But I'm pretty sure that it's gonna. They're for $42, so you know it's already pretty close to being in the money. But I really don't like holding stuff that expires the next day overnight. The only thing I am gonna hold overnight, besides like leaps and swings and stuff, is this JP Morgan play. It's up 100% right now. And I only have one left. So I already sold 6. And I have one of the JP Morgans. It's worth $64. And I really was not expecting this kind of explosion here, but we will take it 100 days out of 100. Lucid still sketching around, yep. Tesla is gonna start sneaking up on some dangerous areas here in a second. And if you didn't know, Elon selling all of his shares is not a real thing. He is selling his shares, but he's exercising options at the same time. So he has options that are for like $6.25. So he can buy shares of Tesla, 100 of them, at $6.25 a pop, basically free, and then he'll sell 100 shares. Actually, he's more like he's selling 90 shares per contract. So he's exercising, those options. He's getting 100 shares, and then he sells like 90 shares. So his position's actually going up in Tesla. So that's all a little marketing scam again. But the way that he's doing it, it does help him with taxes. Not necessarily now, but if they were to increase or change just the way that it works for billionaires. They're talking about taxing unrealized gains, and if they did that, I swear to God, that would break everything in half. No one would ever buy stocks again. I wouldn't buy stocks again. I wouldn't hold them at least. Like, what's the point of buying and holding, like investing in a company, when they're taxing your unrealized gains? Literally, it's sitting there. You haven't made any money off of it. You put your money at risk. Well, okay, first of all, you make money. That gets taxed. You put it in the stock market. Your dividends get taxed as income. Then, if you have, let's just say you bought Amazon way back when, and it was like $100. Now it's like 3,000. Some people are proposing that they will tax you on the unrealized gains, so stuff that you have not even put in your pocket yet, which makes less than 0 cents. It makes negative sense, because the stock could always go down, and then it's like, okay, you just taxed me, and I didn't make any money. Now what? Give me my shit back. Got to reinvest it. Especially for like retail investors. What if you have $500 in Tesla? It's like, oh, hey, well, you made $400. You owe us $100. What? I don't have $100. well, too bad. You better sell your Tesla. Okay. That defeats the whole purpose of investing. AMD, wow. Airbnb. Ooh, I might buy some more shares of Airbnb. I like it down here. I'm going to. I have to log into my other account though. Wait. Yeah, I'm definitely going to. Quit peeping at my texts. Okay. So yeah, I'm buying more Airbnb. I'm actually not even just gonna buy it right now. I'll buy it probably, I don't even know. I'll buy it today. I'm not that concerned about the price. Ooh, XPEV going down. Is it at 40? No, it's not at 42 yet. Why does it look like it's moving so fast? But it's the premiums aren't moving very much. I'm only up. Yeah, I'm only up 2%. Or no, 9. There we go. That's a little better. That's still kind of shit though. I think I overpaid for those contracts. I think I did. I paid $70 per contract. Oh, and the premium's kind of catching up now. I think that seems pretty reasonable price-wise. I kind of want to short Tesla, but dude, the freaking the decay on it is just crazy. Like you buy it, let's just say it like drops down to here. It's like, okay, I'm up 30%, and then it comes back up to here and then drops down to like here, and it's like, okay, now I'm up 5%. 30 minutes later. The decay is just insane on those really far out of the money ones. So I'm just gonna avoid that. AMC, wasn't this about to go red for a second? Yeah. I was talking about how I didn't want to buy this just because I don't like them. I think it's dumb. But, okay, wow. I need to stop talking and just fucking buy it. Actually, I want to see if it holds there. If it holds above the VWAP here, or actually, probably more importantly, gets past whatever it got, yeah, 2550. Then I might buy some calls as a day trade or something. That the XPEV is coming back now. Did you ever end up buying any HIMX? I did not. I did not buy any HIMX, HIMX. A lot of the swing trades that I post, I've been trying to do one a day, but sometimes I can't find anything. Sometimes I just plain forget. But no, I never bought it. If it did break 12, I probably would. And honestly, like the fact that it's going down here isn't that bad. But wait, what is this line? Why did I draw that? Okay, whatever. No, I didn't. But I don't think it's a bad buy even now. I'd like to see it break 12. That would probably be my signal to purchase some of those. Yeah, I guess I was bang on accident. I don't remember even drawing that. I don't know what that was. That's like here if you go to Tesla. Damn it, I know I should have shorted that bitch. I drew this thing where I did a TikTok of like um a real life ascending triangle, and I was talking about it on Tesla, and then I just left these lines here and I drew this one straight through it. Like the video was here. Like to here actually. And none of this was there. And I was like, okay, this could be a thing. And then this line here tracked perfectly up everything. Same thing goes with Twitter. I drew this months ago. Months. Because I hate Twitter. It's like down, down, down. And then I said it was going to go down and then go to 0. And look at that. It's not at 0 yet. I wish it was. So sometimes I just keep stuff there just to see what happens. I have 21% on the XPEV. I said I would sell it when it got close to 42. I'm starting to think that I'd rather be greedy and dumb. Because it's not looking very good for them today. NVIDIA, bro, come on. Come back. Everyone needs to go get yourself some NVIDIA. Make sure they have enough funds to produce more chips, make computers cheaper so I can get a badass gaming / streaming / everything computer. I want it to go from $2,000 to $40,000. Facebook was down like 1.7% today, I think. Ooh, good thing I didn't buy AMC. Sheesh. IBM. Ooh, I like that a lot. I'm buying IBM calls for tomorrow. It's going to be a day trade. If I can freaking find them. Oh, never mind. The spreads kind of suck. Maybe next week. I don't really trust the overall market though. Spreads. Why do the spreads suck so bad on these? Alright, I'm gonna just try to sneak one. I'll see if I can get filled. I'll pay 55. I'm not paying your fucking ask. Oh, I got filled. Let's go. Okay, wait. Shit. What'd I just buy? Okay. I bought IBM $129 calls for December 23rd. I paid 55 cents. The ask was more, but I changed it because I asked for less. I said, no, I'm not paying 60. You kidding me? Wait. 1223. Okay, yeah. So I bought IBM 1223 $129 calls at 55 cents. I only got 4 of them. And that will be a swing trade if it works out today. If it looks like it's going to blow up in my face today, then I'll probably sell it. But the daily chart, I've been paying attention to this for a while, ever since Barron's mentioned them in an article and basically went through the fact that they're the easiest value play ever. They've been like outpacing pretty much the whole time. But I also don't trust the overall like market, the indexes. I don't think there's really like any surprises coming up. The Fed already came through, said what they needed to say, but I'm still a little bit hesitant to really trust something. Trust issues. Lucid, this was up way more than this, right? Yeah, Lucid's dropping off a cliff. Might be a decent short play. Oh, that's because Les Spy. It's holding up pretty well. I think if it goes below like 469, then we might have some issues. But maybe that'll make my Airbnb cheaper for when I buy it. NVIDIA, bro, calm down. 5%, jeez. RIP. Good thing I sold that shit today. IBM, IBM, IBM. Where'd you go? There it is. Oh, wait. Twitter. Twitter's sucking. Just seems kind of redundant to short Twitter again. So kind of got denied there from 472, which would have been the highest close ever. I don't know if that's really a big deal that it didn't make it past that, but it has been a while. You know, this was November, early November. Still haven't made it past that level. So if it were to get past that, that'd be really good. It looks like we're just going to come down really hard, though. Neo, I had these puts earlier. Probably should have kept them, but can't win them all. And what was I looking at right before that? Oh, Twitter. Yeah. Fuck. I don't have that much buying. Oh, no, I still have like over $1,000. All right, I'm literally making like it's going to basically be a scalp, but on options. It's kind of a ballsy move, honestly, but let's do it anyways. All right, I'm buying. I'm just gonna buy 20 of those. Buy Oh, that's an unlucky number, 14. All right. Oh, no, it didn't fill. No, hey. Give me my shit. There we go. Okay, I bought Twitter puts. It's gonna be really, really quick. I bought Twitter $42 puts for tomorrow, and either I'm going to sell them in 2 seconds for a loss or sell them in 2 seconds for a gain. Those are the two options. That's it. The IBM is. Wait a second. Okay, that's not that bad. But since those Twitter puts are really, really, really cheap, so even the 1 cent spread on them is like 7%. So I'm kind of thinking about selling a good bit of this IBM, Jesus, and then actually holding the rest as like a swing, as opposed to my initial plan, which was to just, I don't know. We shall see. I still have a bunch of money left, bunch of dollars. So yeah, Twitter, I paid $16 per contract. And they're doing fine. I don't know how much I'm trying to make off this though. I think I honestly got a really, really good price for those. So second, I'm trying to do the math in my head. Either I got screwed or I'm really dumb. In both cases, looks like I'm losing. But I don't think I am. Because if this goes to, let's just say it goes crazy and goes down to 42 today, which is reasonable but not really. If it goes down to that, I'll be up like 300%. No, 220% ish. If it were to just go there right now. No, actually, I'd be up more than that. But obviously, that's not going to happen. Yeah, I think I got a really good price for those actually. So I'll keep that. I sold some of the IBM because I'm just going to swing the rest of it for an indefinite amount of time. Just because I like IBM right now. Made a lot of plays today. What's Pfizer doing? Sheesh. Fuck it. I'm buying Pfizer again. This is like the 4th time this week. And the reason being, SPY is going down. Everything else is teetering. Pfizer doesn't give a shit. It's just going straight up still. Ooh. I almost bought way too many of those. Actually, I will buy way too many of those. Yeah, I think this might just rocket, honestly. It tried to earlier. It came right back down to VWAP. Went right back up. It's already past, you know, where the run stopped last time. So hopefully that'll just straight up. I spent a good bit of money on that one. Oh, I got the $60 calls for tomorrow. Also a day trade. Also not holding this one for very long. All right, we're in the green. 6% already. 8%. Climbing. And we're in the money. Past 60, so that's cash. XBEV will not go down. Go down, bitch. Oh crap, I'm down 10% on the Twitter. Okay, well, that still looks like shit. Hopefully those will come back. Neo. $105% on the JP Morgan. Oh shit, my controller or my computer's about to die. Oh no, it's not. Twitter. Fuck. Okay, I'm down 30% on the Twitter now from one freaking candle. This one thing was 30%. My calls or my puts are really far out of the money, which is the issue. I'm just gonna sell them. Oh. Okay, I only lost 15 bucks. Oh. Make that 30. Oh, I can't get billed. Come on. Come on. Someone buy my shit. Got 26% on the Pfizer already. Someone buy my Twitter. It's kind of stressful, actually. Oh my gosh. There's not very much open interest on the Twitter option chain, just at least on the ones that I own. Is it worth 15 bucks to just wait? That could be Chipotle. I think about everything in terms of Chipotle. How many Chipotle burritos can I buy with whatever I'm doing? That's all that matters. That and Fiji water. IBM came back. Let's go. XPEV. Still teetering. This thing can run though. I mean, look at this. Sometimes it just flips a switch and goes the wrong way. I can't tell if I'm being really dumb or really smart. I don't know what's going on. Can you just sell? That'll be very helpful. Okay, I got filled. Or no, it just modified. Great. Thank you. There we go. Okay, we're looking at 24% on the Pfizer. For some reason, everything is slow. Oh, it's because my computer's almost dead. That's why. I'll be right back. We gotta plug this bitch in. Oh, thank you. I am hilarious. What did I say? Okay, I'm gonna get rid of Pfizer. Don't do it to me again. I should have had a limit. It's at some just any price. It's okay. That's just 20 Chipotle burritos down the drain. Oh, AMC, sheesh. That was green for a bit. It's like well in the green, I think. Kathy. Straight down again for the Cath Master. The catheter. Parker, fuck you. What do you want? My phone charger? Yeah. It's not a block. I'm live streaming right now. Apologies, my little brother and his friend are at my house right now. That's just the common greeting between dear friends. Parker, fuck you. Okay, Pfizer is really going to need to change some stuff right now. I'm not agreeing with their business decisions of going down in stock price. I think it'd be much better for the company if it went up. So that would be preferable for sure. Veil, this thing, I used to play this a lot. Ooh, looks kind of nice. Yeah, I used to play this a lot. It's like a steel company, I think. Yeah, it's like infrastructure kind of stuff. But it doesn't really move, but when it does, then you get pretty crazy returns on it. Um, I don't know if I like it here. It did kind of just break out past where it's been, but I don't know. I don't think anyone's really trading that right now. Volume, yeah, the volume is only a third of what it usually is. I just need to keep an eye on Pfizer, honestly. Oh shit! Speaking of infrastructure, X. Sheesh. Pfizer. What did we talk about? My stop loss but not actually stop loss. My I'm gonna sell this shit is basically where this little run ended here and then went back down. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this one for sure. I'm up 110% on JP Morgan. Crazy. What's going on here? Oh, I don't like that at all. Sell. Selling the XPEV puts. Just gonna market order them. That's like the third thing that I've had that was up like a really good amount, and then I didn't end up getting very much out of it. The Pfizer, I could have got like 30% out of that, which is like, that would have been like 90 bucks. But I don't know. I think it's still doing well as long as it holds above the, I mean, 60 really. If it breaks back through 60 again, I'd expect it to keep going. I might actually buy more if it breaks 60 and looks like it's going to keep going. Uber. Uber kind of looks like it found a bottom here for the day. If you look across this, kind of a double bottom there. Should at least work its way up to there. That could be like a quick trade, but I mean, that's kind of sketchy. It's definitely not enough to buy into it right now. I don't think there's really any volume either. Yeah, not even a third of the typical volume. Oh, Nordstrom came all the way back. Oh, did I not tell people that I sold that? Or did I even? I don't think I even told them that I bought it. TLT, Airbnb. Dun 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 dun. Microsoft, bro, what's happening? Oh, that might bring down SPY, which would also bring down. I have no idea. Oh, this is back in the green. Why? What a sketchy day for AMC. Tesla. All right, Pfizer. I'm gonna will this to go up. Then I won't have to worry about anything anymore. I command you. That's kind of weird. Small caps are outperforming SPY. Oof, that doesn't really look good. Pfizer, what did I tell you? Go up. If I end up losing money on this Pfizer play, I'm gonna fucking stab my dog. Not really. I'd rather stab a human. Don't blame me, Twitter or YouTube. I didn't mean it. I'm not gonna stab anybody. And we're over 60. I willed it to happen, and it did. Neo could have held these puts, would have done fine. Just basically same day expiration when you're buying it today. So I don't even think I lost very much on that. And Nvidia, bro, come on. Just giving up all the gains from yesterday. Gains from yesterday. I could day trade puts on that too. That's just such a big move. I don't think it's going to drop much more than that. Apple. Oh, this is... I freaking ADD'd away from Apple. Okay. It kind of looked like I cropped that screenshot, but that's my only open positions on this account, so they can suck it. Pfizer, yes, dude. Sometimes I look at something and I say, do what I want, and it works. Other times, not so much. In this case, Pfizer is following the plan perfectly. I'm a little sketched out after the quick decline there that they had. We sold this XPEV at, I think, the worst price we could have possibly sold it for. So we're really making money moves here. That is beyond frustrating. Fuck. Okay. Forgive and forget. That's what my therapist says. Whenever I'm talking about all the grudges that I'm holding from 3rd grade. Ford. Okay, I need to sell some of this Pfizer. You know what I really should have done? The better play would have been to buy stuff for next week instead of just doing like a quick trade on it. Like kind of get the Moderna run up. Moderna, like, you know, have like crazy weeks. Pfizer doesn't really have that as much because they have a lot more income that's separate from just the coronavirus. But okay, I'm gonna sell some of these. I'm gonna sell half at $90. I paid 76, so that's not a very big gain. But I did spend a decent amount on those, so I kind of want to get them out, or at least partially. No, it's back down to 60. No, hey, man, come on. I'll will it back up, don't worry. Costco. See? Back up. I knew that was gonna happen. I want to play Spy, honestly. There just hasn't been like a place to really hop into it. Ooh. It was faltering there for a second. I want to know when it breaks below these. I'm really more concerned about like, oh, my Pfizer sold. I sold half of it for 20%. Yeah, I definitely could have gone a lot more aggressive with that. I think it was actually up more than that previously, but I just really didn't want to lose money on that play. Okay, selling Twitter was not a bad idea. It's kind of just chilled out there. I think, okay, wait. I actually really want to know. Delete. I don't care about that price. I want. Whatever, that works. Okay, I want that. If it breaks that, then we'll start thinking. XLF. This is the same thing as like JP Morgan that I have. Oh, you guys can't see this other screen. Yeah, they basically follow the same exact pattern all the time. Because JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Credit Suisse Cheese, all the same. All the same. This was down like 1.8, so it looks like Facebook. Nope. DraftKings. Whoa. When did DraftKings start sucking so bad? Dude, I had no idea that DraftKings was down freaking 1,000,000% over the past forever. It's another pretty good line. Damn, that's bad. What the fuck happened to DraftKings? Snap. Looking pretty bad. Affirm. Forgot this company existed. They had their like shining 3 weeks. Nope. Viacom. It's actually, this should be having a better day than this. Just because of all the AT&T news. The dollar barely down. Man. Hmm. PayPal. I know that things are going down for me. You gotta listen to my words. Okay, well, I can't really find anything that I really want to buy. It might be an end to the day. A happy day. Did well. Did fine. But I'm not seeing much to make it an even happier day. So, 'tis the end of the stream. Thank you all for joining. The very few of you who did. It's okay. I have fun with it. I will see you tomorrow.